Hi folks, today I'm going to quickly take you through NetMaxims Shuttle Plus, a transport business management software that is available for three main transport business types in consolidation or in separate form as per your needs. For taxi businesses operations, it's called NetMaxims Shuttle Plus Taxi. For transport fleet management, it's called NetMaxims Shuttle Plus Fleet. And for shuttle booking, that is a book a seat model, it's called NetMaxims Shuttle Plus Shuttle. Shuttle Plus is an offering from our brand new Plus range, which is based on pay once, use forever philosophy. Basically, the idea is we don't want you to pay ridiculous monthly subscription prices. With our Plus software, pay one time and you own it forever. A one-time fee for unlimited users means you can increase your business without worrying about the cost, which will help you run your business on your budget. Plus, our software just works. Pay once, download, type one command, and host your whole business on your server. Now it's yours. You buy the software, you host it, straight and simple. You get exactly what you paid for. Now let's start with quick Shuttle Plus demo. NetMaxims Shuttle Plus helps you become a Uber or Lyft for a shockingly small price. It helps you become more efficient at taxi business management, while the taxi booking process easier for your customer. The first part of Shuttle Plus is the Riders or Customers app, which is available for both Android and iOS. Here you have all that you expect from a classy taxi app, like onboarding and ride booking, vehicle service selection, ride order tracking, promotions and offers, notification and alerts, reviews and ratings, multiple payment modes, and much more. The part 2, which is Ease to Use Drivers app, which is also available for both Android and iOS. Your driver will have access to real-time booking alerts, managing requests, trip management, easy navigation, he can connect the customers, earning summary, route optimization, and much more. The part 3, the all-important NetMaxims Shuttle Plus admin dashboard, which gives you a comprehensive overview of your taxi business. Now what do you get in that? You get the following features for admin, like dynamic pricing, manage riders and drivers, track discounts and promotions, handle automate dispatch, do real-time fleet tracking, see analytics and reports, and much more. NetMaxims Shuttle Plus is not just for taxi businesses. We have made it so that it can be used in a wide range of transportation business, like taxi dispatch business, ride-hailing business, ride-share and carpooling business, micro-mobility business, vehicle rental business, NEMT dispatch business, Limo dispatch business, airport service business, fleet management, shuttle booking, and more. NetMaxims Shuttle Plus is quickly and easy customizable, and every transport business customizes a Shuttle Plus software solution. I think need not to tell, the benefits of doing so are obvious. Making tailored solution for transport and logistics as per your business model, enhancing brand identity and personalization, achieving scalability and market adaptability, adding innovative features for competitive edge, making seamless system integration, improve online booking and management, ensuring data security and regulatory compliance. For example, the screen grab on the right shows Shuttle Plus admin creating new booking. NetMaxims Shuttle Plus incorporates the latest emerging technologies. We want to help you get more business success, so we have put in artificial intelligence and machine learning for personalized routes and predictions, top-notch mapping and geolocation tech integration, IoT for fleet real-time monitoring, advanced cybersecurity protocols for data protection, seamless multimodal transport integration, and more. NetMaxims Shuttle Plus features a seamless UI UX design because we want your riders, your drivers, and you to experience an unparalleled ease of use. NetMaxims Shuttle Plus usability brings you effortless navigation for every journey, a personalized travel experience, smooth and swift transactions, interactive and attractive design, and it is responsive across all the devices. Now, thank you for sitting through our little demo for your transport business. At NetMaxims, we have been helping businesses since 2003, and with our brand new NetMaxims Shuttle Plus Pay Once, Use Forever software, we hope to help more taxi and transport business shine on the internet. Cheers.